You should have been vlogging. You should have catch when people come in and you could surprise you don't see the bird. Hi guys, so today is a special day for me because I am meeting up with one of the YouTubers that I recently met, well, a couple months back, because I never have a Facebook there, but then I join Facebook and stuff, and I'm gonna get some things today from him, and I'm pretty excited because I am a nature kind of person, so this will work well for me. So today's my day to collect. Hi, how are you doing? Huh? Hi. Passerby, say, you want to wave and say hi? Yes, it's pretty for true. Alright, take care. I'm going to work. So as you can see, I don't really have no badge or anything. And I only get one call in the middle of the night that my badge and my IDs were found. Like, I did really miss it, but then I'm saying, if I even force myself up now, will I find it? Will it help me to get it back? So what I was doing, I was retracing my steps. So I realized, based on my retracing, that I left it somewhere at work, because then I started remembering that when I was in Martin, it wasn't with me. So, yeah. So, yeah, today is the day when I'll be getting my special things. And I'm meeting a very good YouTuber friend for the first time in person. No, the Pet Man. I'm going to leave a link to his channel, or channels rather. He has Toonwalk and the Pet Man. So yeah, you'll see his who. All being well, and the rain don't tear down the place, and he gets to show up. But yeah, I'm pretty early for work. It's not even 7 o'clock. I don't know if for the excitement that me get up so early, adrenaline rush. But yeah. Good morning. So this is hours after reaching to work, doing some work, and heading out again to get the stuff sorted out, because I think he's now in Mark Bay. The Pet Man is now officially in St. Thomas with my birdies.
Are you trying now?
No, you're going to go continue down. Okay. So you should have been vlogging. You should have catch when people come in and you could surprise you don't see the bird yet.
Yeah man, you soon see the bird.
Yeah, but I said there was no video being done. We'll turn up here, so okay, turn right.
Okay.
There was no video being done, so I don't know how I get my other part of the video. But I'm still waiting and expecting the video that he took while I was walking that I did not see. Yeah? Yeah? You laugh more on the video.
So these are for Rush, otherwise Life of a Caribbean Nurse. Yes, two beautiful birds. The blue is the male and the olive or lemon green one is the female. Yes. And she's really anticipating to see them. Two lovely birds we got. Yes, and this is a millet with little egg food into it. Is a vitamin feed that this one. Definitely nice. So waiting to see her come. A nice little cage, not too big, not too small. Just right for these two birds. So waiting on her to come. Waiting on her to come.
Really?
Yes. So this is
Hi.
Rochelle, Caribbean nurse.
Right, for Caribbean nurse.
Definitely.
So my kids are here.
Yes.
It's a boy and a girl. They're twins.
Yes.
So they are twins, and I'll show you them later.
Definitely.
And I am still with time. I'm still early. I've still not overdone my break time. Is that the correct word to use?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good in one.
I'm still up on time. You know me there, I wonder?
Yeah.
Where may I find this feed?
Yeah, man, you can find it, man, in a pet store, them. In a pet store in here.
Yeah, well, the big farm store.
It's millet, you know. Just tell them say the budget feed you want.
The budget feed?
Yeah, man, the big farm store we have it.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Okay, so how are we going to do this? Yeah, I can back at work? It's
So-
just like 5 minutes away.
Right. See our children, them, eh?
Hi! So which one of them, don't tell me, the olive one is the female
Right.
and this is the male.
Alright. So you see, you should know everything.
You're so quiet.
No, wait, I finish the video. I never finish the video, you know.
You didn't finish the video?
No. Alright.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it and I love them, by the way. This
Yeah.
is a female, the olive is a female, and the blue and the black is a male. So my birdies are home. So this is, I'm going to put them right here for now until I get maybe like a table, and then I'm going to just slightly open this to give them a fresh air so they don't die tonight. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, my new birds. Good morning, birdies. Should I give them a Tammy Mitchell kind of wake up, or a quite very friendly, nice, loud wake up? But I look like they're in a mood, but this is day one with my birds. I'm going to work, so this is early morning vlog. Then coop one clean already. Bam.
Caring for your budget gears, there's some things that you can do and there's some things you cannot do, right? So dairy product is not good for them. So if you're gonna give them any little dairy product, which them normally love to eat dairy products, but it's not so good for them, okay? It will make them overweight and also give them runs, and it also will cause other problem with them also, alright? They will stop wanting to eat the food and just eating dairy product. So giving your butcher gears dairy product is not so good, right? Greens, very good and essential for good health of your birds. So lettuce, cauliflower, callaloo, pop choy is a no. Don't give them the pop choy. It normally works so well with them, the pop choy. But lettuce, callaloo, cauliflower and other green seeds and things like the green millet seeds, good for them. Clean water, make sure the water is clean. So if you're using pan, try to clean it every day or every other day. Clean it. If you're using a gravity feed bottle, well, you can clean it every 3 days. Alright, so clean water is very essential. Clean cage, so that is the next thing again for good health of your butcher gears. Remember, if they're picking on the feather too much, you can buy the mite spray and remove all the food and the water from the cage, then spray the body. Don't get it in them eyes, okay? The next thing you can do to also make them have a good health, give them calcium powder, or you can give them the cutlery bone. You can buy it at any pet store. Okay, that is also good for a bird, and that is about it. They are very easy to take care of.